Hello everyone, and just wanted to show you my room that I got from Harrah's in Atlantic City. I got 3 days comped, so I paid $0 for the room, and I'm on the 28th floor of Harrah's, and here's the bathroom. Nice shower area, sink, towels. You get the soap and the shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, hair dryer. Separate area here for the toilet, and let's see, full-length mirror, a closet. They have an ironing board, hangers. They have the room safe, a luggage rack. Nice long counter here, ice bucket, coffee machine, coffee. They have a sitting area, king size bed, alarm clock, a thermostat for controlling the temperature, and it's nice. It's clean. Very nice. So that's the room. Participate in their special events and everything, and you can get a comp room also. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Thank you. I couldn't show you the view last night of what I have from this room. I'm on the 28th floor of Harrah's Waterfront Tower, and I'll show you the view from the room. It's very nice, overlooking the water. Now this is looking northbound, going up the coast here, and this is the inlet. I saw 2 fishing boats going out earlier. It's a nice view. It's about 50 degrees out right now. It's sunny. Tomorrow's supposed to be a little bit warmer. I'll probably take a walk on the boardwalk. This is what I wanted to show you, just to see what you get with the room. A nice view. I've stayed in the waterfront section of the hotel a few times, and over the time, I have seen an improvement in the room quality as far as cleanliness goes, and also I noticed that there is an overall better control over the hotel. The few years ago I stayed here and it wasn't that clean and everything, and they've really made improvements. I give a thumbs up to Harrah's. Very nice. Good job, Harrah's.